Welcome to World AIP, the channel dedicated to helping you implement the Autoimmune Protocol. I'm Stacy, and this is Wheezy, and today I'm making coconut-free fat bombs. Make sure to watch through to the end because I'm going to be showing you the print version in case you want to pause, take a screenshot, and I'm going to give you an alternate version if you don't have cacao powder, you don't want to make it chocolatey. I'm going to give you the cinnamon spice recipe. So I'm just going to make a little batch of these because I don't really need them. I have a bunch of fat bombs and stuff made up already. These are delicious. These are like chocolates. These have to stay in the freezer, but you don't have to eat them frozen. You're not going to break your teeth on them. You can pull them out 5 minutes, 10 minutes before you eat them. But I found even right out of the freezer, they have this melty, fudgy, like chilled fudge texture. They're great. You just have to keep them in your freezer. If you're traveling, I can't imagine these would be bad if you kept them refrigerated and maybe it turned into like some kind of fabulous pudding. I don't see how that could be a bad thing at all. You would have a chilled pudding. But anyway, let's just get to the recipe. So you're gonna need some carob powder, some avocado oil, and some avocado. So basically this recipe is 1 part avocado oil, 1 part mashed avocado, 1.5 parts of carob powder. So I'm gonna make this little itty bitty batch. So I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of mashed avocado, which it weighs 28 grams. Here it is. So the avocado is going to give it some structure and some silky mouthfeel. 28 grams or 2 tablespoons, but 2 tablespoons of avocado oil and 3 tablespoons of carob powder. That's 18 grams. And then we're going to mash this up well all together. If you're making a big batch, it would be a great idea to do this in a food processor. I mean, you could actually stop after you mix this up and have the most indulgent, delicious chocolate fudge pudding ever in the world. This smells so heavenly. Let's put them into our mold. I found these adorable little heart molds, and I think that they're perfect for these. You can actually mold these into like little balls, and they'll hold together, and you can freeze them like that. But I want heart-shaped. So I made 6 hearts. I'm just gonna throw these in the freezer and then I'll show you how they look after about an hour or so in there. Nutrition facts. So basically this is for the whole recipe I just made for you. The 6 chocolate hearts come in at 75 grams total and 329 calories, 1.5 grams of protein, 19.6 grams of carbs, 31.5 grams of fat. A little bit of B2, B3, B5. This one's a little more nutritious than the coconut fat bombs because we have the avocado in there and the carob and a bunch of copper. 9.6 whopping grams of fiber. So really our net carbs are 10 grams. So a little more carbs than a coconut based fat bomb, but not, you know, crazy. No fructose, which is good. Getting a healthy amount of fat there. And all in all, I mean, you're eating chocolate candy for crying out loud. It's not bad looking chocolate candy, is it? These have been in the freezer. Let's take a look at them. These pop right out of the mold. These are just out of the freezer, and I just want you to see how easily you can bite in. It's not like you're gonna break a tooth on it. Let me use a butter knife. See, you could just bite right in and it's like, oh my goodness, this smells amazing. This is basically AIP chocolate candy. I mean, there you go. Here is my written recipe for delicious chocolate fat bombs, coconut free. And here's an added bonus for you. Here we go, cinnamon spice coconut-free fat bombs. So you basically take that 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, take 2 tablespoons of mashed avocado, and instead of the carob, we're gonna use the 2 tablespoons of tiger nut flour, and then you're just gonna throw in some pumpkin pie spice, or you can just toss in some cinnamon, ginger, a touch of mace, maybe some wild vanilla powder. So there's another variety for you. So there you go, coconut-free fat bombs slash AIP chocolates. They're amazing, they're very good. I stand behind them 1000%. Let me know how you like them in the comments below. Let me know if you did anything to tweak the recipe. You could add a little vanilla powder, chocolate with the orange peel. You could do like orange peel in there for like a chocolate orange, or cherry, chocolate cherry, like dried cherries in there. But that's, now we're getting into like carb territory. It's a dessert. Anyway, I don't know. Anyway, if you like the recipe, subscribe below. Give me a thumbs up because that helps my channel grow. I rhymed. If you want to see clips from behind the scenes of my everyday life, what I bought at the grocery store, what I'm cooking up in the kitchen, stuff like that. Sometimes clips of my pets, you never know. I post almost every day on Lens. It's like an Instagram story, but it's featured Patreon, but it is free to the public. You do not have to be a patron to view my clips. If you are a $2 patron, I put out a patron-exclusive recipe video once a month as a thank you, but the clips are always free to anybody that wants to see them. I hope to see you soon. Until then, be healthy.